I'm recording. Okay. No, like put that in there.
Why?
And you have to hold the bag like that, like around it.
Why? Ouch.
How are you doing this on?
The gray button.
Right here. It's not sucking.
Mom.
Here, hold on. Let me do it. You want to try one more time?
Between your legs. 'Cause there's no air there.
Yeah. Hold it between your legs. Now, like, try to tuck your arms in it. We're taking this a little bit.
Your legs hurt.
Let's try this again. I'll show you. Here, get on the bag.
I'm confused.
Okay. It's still recording. Wait. I can't even do the bag. Hold on.
When did you learn how to do this?
My friend taught, well, my ex-friend now, but she taught me it. Okay, here's that hold.
Maybe tilt the vacuum because the whole no tilt it.
Like,
Yeah. Is the holy part.
okay.
No.
Okay. I don't know. Alright, try another one. Oh, it's not working. We need a bigger bag.
We don't got no bigger bags.
Are there recycle bags that's big, that's the same size as this one?
Smaller.
Oh, that ain't gonna work.
What are you trying to do?
Like, okay, when you turn on the vacuum cleaner,
Can I stop recording?
Not yet. A bag like gets sucked to you.
Around you? Oh,
Yeah.
I get you. I get you.
Unless you want to try one more time.
Yeah.
Okay. How the heck did you get this off? Press. Ah. Okay. Wait, just hold the vacuum hose. Like, clench the bag around it. Here, hold that.
You don't have that bottom touching it, do you?
No, you can't have the bottom touching it. That's why it won't stop.
Going in the garbage, Mom.
Oh, there you go.
Ouchie, Mama.
Okay, now hold the, like, what you do is, okay, like, hold that thing like that. Okay, see if this works now.
God, you're like Tommy.
Hold on, I gotta check.
At least you know if it's recording, you can put it in the garbage bag.
Okay, let's see if this works. Did it rip?
No.
But, what do we need to do it again?
Do it again.
Watch this, okay?
You should have to put Jeffrey's trying to go to sleep so you can feel sappy.
That was the sucking trick from the vacuum.
Pretty soon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's waiting for her grandma to come.
Okay, this is done now.